Hi, welcome to Retail-Outsource. In this video, I am going through some of the new eBay updates that help you run and grow your business. Updates for listing and promotings are: first one, eBay adding new item specifics in some categories. Next, send coupon codes to specific buyers groups. Then, expansion of promoted listings. eBay updates to run your business includes: first one, eBay added updates to eBay Shop to attract buyers and build your brand. Next, eBay added new research and performance tools in Seller Hub and new permissions for multi-user account access. If you go and look on eBay announcement, you can see here the updates, helps to grow your business on eBay. First, we can go through the eBay updates for listing and promoting. eBay adding new item specifics in some categories. These item specifics won't be required until early 2022, but you'll be able to add them to your listings starting the 12th of October. Also, you will see some changes to category structures and item specifics names when eBay release new item specifics. Then we discuss what are the benefits of item specifics. Adding item specifics is a good way to make sure buyers can find your listings. These descriptive keywords tell a buyer about your item and help make sure your listings show up in a buyer's search results, both on eBay and on external search engines. When you add more item specifics in your listings, you have a better chance of matching what buyers are searching for. eBay adding new item specifics in the below categories: collectibles and art, jewelry, musical instruments, parts and accessories, and sporting goods. The new item specifics will be available for you to add, edit or create new listings starting from the 12th of October. There are a number of tools and features to help you find and update missing item specifics: download or upload file, task reminders in Seller Hub and My eBay, quick filters, required soon feature, edit item specifics in bulk. Go through eBay Seller Hub updates to know more about these tools. From October 2021, you'll be able to send specific groups of buyers a coded coupon directly from Seller Hub. Also, you'll be able to track the impact of your coded coupons on your engagement with your buyers. You can do this in the new segmentation section within the Seller Hub Marketing tab. The benefits of targeting buyer groups are: sharing your coded coupons to buyer groups is an easy way for you to encourage existing and potential customers to buy from you. You can use it to target specific groups of people when your seasonal inventory has the most potential to sell. How to send coupon codes to specific buyers groups. You'll be able to send coded coupons to specific buyer groups by going to the Seller Hub Marketing tab and accessing the new segmentation section. Set up your coded coupon campaign. Select the group you want to receive the code and the coupon campaign you want to send. Eligible buyers in your groups will then receive your coupon codes. You can also customize your message each time you send a code to a specific buyer group. Within the new segmentation section in the Seller Hub Marketing tab, you'll have access to data to monitor your campaign activity. Next is promoted listings expansion and rebrand. Promoted listings will be rebranded to Promoted Listings Standard, and Promoted Listings Advanced will be introduced. Promoted Listings Standard will remain a cost per sale model, so you'll only pay when you sell. In late September, you'll be introduced to the beta version of eBay's new cost per click campaign type, that is Promoted Listings Advanced. This will offer you preferred access to the top spot in search results across eBay on desktop, mobile, and on the eBay app. It will also offer keyword selection and provide you with the control you need to help increase your sales. Promoted Listings Advanced is based on a cost-per-click model. You start by deciding how much each keyword and click is worth to you. Then you bid to target placements at the top of eBay search results. This shows your listings to buyers right when they need them. With this new type of campaign, you'll be able to bid for the top slot in search using keyword and budget controls, and pay per click. Select the keywords that matter to you and set a daily budget for additional control. Then we can discuss how to set up a Promoted Listings Advanced campaign. To set up your first campaign, go to the Seller Hub Marketing tab. You can create a new campaign within the advertising dashboard by following these simple steps. Name your campaign. Choose dates and a daily budget. Name your ad group. Add your listings and keywords to the ad group. Select a maximum cost per click for the keywords. You'll see this as cost per click bids in the tool. You're then ready to review and launch your campaign. Next, we can discuss updates for running your business. First one, you can attract buyers and build your brand with eBay shops. Your shop should reflect your unique identity and brand. It's more than a window for buyers to browse your listings. It's a tool to build your brand, engage with your buyers, and grow your business. eBay have recently rolled out new ways for you to make it your own. You can upload custom branding to your shop, including your logo and a unique banner. Adding your branding helps you make a good first impression. Now, it also helps eBay drive traffic back to your shop by showcasing your logo in places like your listings. As part of the Autumn 2021 eBay Shops Design Update, you'll see a new About tab. Use this space to add a description of your brand or company and tell your business's story. Your About section helps build trust with your buyers and lets them know more about who they are shopping from. eBay have made some updates to the tools and reports on the performance and research tabs in Seller Hub, and you can use these new features to get an insight into how you're doing compared to your competitors and how you can optimize your listings. New in the Performance tab in Seller Hub are Listing Quality Report and Sales Report. Listing Quality is a downloadable document that provides you with analysis at listing and category level. It suggests specific actions you can take to optimize your listings and categories. You can use this to help boost your views, impressions, and sales. There are new enhancements to the Sales Report in the Performance tab. You can now filter sales by year to date, look back at sales data for up to 1 year, and filter by sales via promoted listings or offers. New in the Research tab in Seller Hub are TerraPeak Sourcing Insights and TerraPeak Product Research. You can now use TerraPeak Sourcing Insights to see the top 20 searched categories on eBay. This is based on sales from the last 30 days. You can find this under a new tab called Top Categories. You'll see TerraPeak Product Research has a new look and feel. The search box and data range options makes it simpler for you to look for what you need. You can search for what you're looking for and then filter for the details. Second update to running your business is multi-user account access updates. There are some important changes to the access rights you can give to your account users. You have new permissions for multi-user account access accounts. Multi-user account access gives you full control over what your account users can do on your eBay account and what they are able to see. You now have new permissions that let your account users manage refunds, requests, and disputes. For example, processing returns or managing open cases. User-designated, trusted devices are now available for two-step verification-enabled accounts. Two-step verification helps protect your eBay account. Once you've switched on two-step verification, each time you sign into your account, you'll be able to confirm your identity via an eBay app push notification or by entering a code sent to you via SMS. Now, user-designated, trusted devices for two-step verification-enabled accounts will make your account even more secure and make multiple devices much easier to manage. You can manage existing trusted devices by going to My eBay account, Sign In and Security, and select devices you trust. To find more details, you can visit this link. I will put the link below in the description. I hope this video is helpful. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So if that's something interesting, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if eBay or Amazon and have questions, then you can also book a 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.